The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is a fully automatic bean-to-cup espresso machine that promises barista-quality coffee at the touch of a button. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into a quick review. Bean-to-cup convenience. Skip the pre-ground beans and grind, tamp, and brew fresh, aromatic coffee with just the push of a button. 7 one-touch recipes. Choose from espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, latte, flat white, long black, and iced coffee, all pre-programmed for fuss-free brewing. LatteCrema System. Enjoy silky smooth milk froth for your latte or cappuccino thanks to De'Longhi's automatic milk frothing technology. Conical Burr Grinder. Extract the full flavor potential of your beans with the integrated Conical Burr Grinder, ensuring consistent grinding for every cup. Adjustable settings. Tailor your coffee experience to your taste with adjustable coffee strength, milk frothing texture, and coffee temperature. Color touch display. Navigate the machine's features easily with the intuitive and colorful touchscreen interface. Automatic cleaning. Maintain your machine effortlessly with the automatic cleaning cycles for the brewing unit and milk carafe. The Magnifica Evo generally delivers on its promises. The coffee is rich and flavorful, and the milk frothing system produces impressive results. The machine is also relatively quiet during operation, making it a good choice for home use. Pros: convenient bean-to-cup brewing. Wide variety of one-touch recipes. Excellent milk frothing system. Consistent grind and extraction. User-friendly interface. Automatic cleaning. Cons: can be a bit bulky for small kitchens. Requires regular cleaning and maintenance. Some users report occasional milk system issues. Higher price point compared to basic coffee machines. The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is a fantastic choice for coffee enthusiasts who want the convenience of bean-to-cup brewing and barista-quality coffee at home. It's packed with features, produces delicious coffee, and is relatively easy to use. However, its size and price might deter those with limited space or budget. If you're looking for a premium coffee experience without the manual labor, the Magnifica Evo is definitely worth considering. Here are some additional points to remember. The Magnifica Evo has a built-in water tank and bean hopper, so you don't need to refill them as often as some other machines. The machine comes with a cleaning brush and descaling solution to help you keep it in tip-top condition. De'Longhi also offers a variety of accessories for the Magnifica Evo, such as a milk jug and a water filter. I hope this review helps you decide if the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is the right coffee machine for you. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.